Hello my friends, this is my road of learning English. Take a look, subscribe to my channel, share with friends, let's development together. If I have any mistakes, please write in the comments below. Let's start.
Do you enjoy reading? I will spell my name if you can't understand it.
I practice reading every day. Practice. Reading. Day.
I can write a sentence in Japanese already.
No, this word isn't easy for me. No. This. No. This word isn't easy for me.
Нет, это слово нелегкое для меня. This word isn't easy for me. Sweta is learning Chinese. She can
Read.
Скажи здравствуй. Talk. Say hello in Japanese.
Create.
Максим уважает письмо, он может строить новый
I
перевод.
can't say my teacher's name. It's too long.
I want to speak Chinese.
My last name is Lee.
First name.
I can't believe that you like writing.
First name это имя. First. Первый. Last name это фамилия.
I can't believe that you like writing.
Writing.
Aren't.
You say
Can you say? Можешь ты уже?
something.
Can you say something?
Russian.
Can you say something?
Question. Person. Green. Strong. Create.
Holiday. See. Create.
Rare.
We still meet every Tuesday.
Мы встречаемся каждый вторник.
They arrived at 6:15, so they were arrived.
How about these happy photos? About. Photos. How about these happy photos?
Would you like to add funny pic? Bad. Add. My coworker meets with me every Wednesday. Me. Wednesday.
Yes.
I
I
want
a girlfriend.
girlfriend.
Want
Ah.
girlfriend.
Ah.
Big
Big. Heart. Heart. Ah.
with
With
a
a
big heart.
Heart.
Let's add some funny pictures.
They arrived.
My routine is to run every morning. My routine is to run every morning. We still meet every Tuesday.
How about these happy photos? How about these happy
I
Want
with
a girlfriend.
girlfriend. With what? A girlfriend. Big heart.
We still meet every Tuesday.